Hey everyone, it's Jess. So today I have a really fun purchase to share with you, and it is my first Louis Vuitton purchase. So you can probably see it on the side. I was kind of really hesitant about if I wanted to go with the monogram print or the azure. I figured the azure is much more me. It's going to look so beautiful with all white outfits or like denim and nudes or denim and white tops, and I really wanted it, but part of me was like, be practical, just go with the monogram. You don't have to worry about it scuffing up. But it turns out the monogram is actually very difficult to find in the certain bag I did get. So I was able to get the azure, and so I was really happy. It just worked out perfectly because I love it so much, and I know I would have regretted not getting it. However, if you are interested in the monogram, I know it is beautiful, so go with that if that's what you want. I definitely say don't really think about practicality. Go with what you're going to wear the most and what's really going to make you happy. So the bag I picked up is the Neverfull, and this is in the azure print. So I'm not going to go into too much detail because I'm sure you guys already heard a lot about this bag, but I want to talk about some stuff that no one really does talk about. So first of all, you have the vachetta and the checker print, and the checker print actually looks like it's gray and white, but it's more of a denim blue on the more darker area, and then lighter area is actually off-white and a cream. So it's really pretty, and you could definitely wear this with a lot more different clothes than you initially think because of the coloring. And the stitching is actually really yellow, so that's something I did not know. I would also like to say that the inside is this beautiful ballerine pink if you do go with the pink one. And this is a lot brighter than I initially thought. I thought it was going to be much lighter, but it's much brighter. And the bag definitely seems bigger than like the 12 inches the site says. So also keep that in mind. I am almost 5'7", and I find this is absolutely perfect for my body type. I think some people say if you're like over 5'6" to maybe go for the GM, but this is the MM, and I think it is perfect. Another thing I wanted to mention is most people say that the other little, like, I guess pochette you would call it, I'm not quite sure. I think it's kind of like a wristlet. A lot of people complain that it is so tiny, but as you can see, it does have some give to it. So I was able to fit these bulky keys, and as you can see, it's on one of the Bath and Body Works like old holders, so that's definitely not thin. That fits fine there. I could get like any medication I need, cards, and I could even fit my 8+ in here perfectly. So I'll just show you guys. So there it is, and you could still zip it up. So it looks a little bit more bulky, however, you could fit more than you might initially think. So a lot of times I might just bring this out and I just might move things around so it doesn't look as lumpy, but this is very comfortable. You just put it on your wrist and you can hold it like so and just go. So overall, I think this is a really beautiful bag, and this is just a bonus. I think this is like 2 bags in one for about $1,900 Canadian. I have heard the Neverfull might be getting discontinued, so I recommend getting it if you can before they might start doing more limited quantity, especially because like for me there was already waitlist for other types, so you might want to get that before they just take away the waitlist and everything. Overall, I would say this bag is a 10 out of 10. I really cannot find anything wrong with it. The quality is beautiful. I haven't had a problem with scuff marks. I have worn this with like darker colors and pants and just set it on my lap, and absolutely no problems. It is super comfortable even with these tiny straps. It feels nice. Overall, I recommend checking out this bag if you have been thinking of getting it. If you want to see kind of how I style this bag, then be sure to check out my Instagram. It is 2, the number 2, then point, so period, and then O life. I'll also have it down below if you want to know how to spell it. And yeah, I just do a lot of fashion posts and with like my bags and stuff, so you can kind of see how it looks on me. Like I said, I am almost 5'7", so that would kind of give you a reference. And yeah, so make sure you check that out and be sure to subscribe and like this video if you want to see a wear and tear. I've had this bag for over a month, but maybe in like a few or several months I'll do an update to let you guys know what I think. So yeah, make sure you subscribe, and I hope you all are doing great and found this video insightful. Bye!